Hey guys, welcome back. Cricket here with another sticker haul. This one is from Pink Polka Dot Lily. So excited. I can't wait to show you the goodies that I've got from her. First things first though, this is a freebie that you get when you mention my name in Nose to Seller. It has laundry, lashes, working girl, coffee, and an open-faced clock. And if you use Cricket 20, you can get 20% off. And then this is also another freebie. This is the Pink Polka Dot freebie, and it has Happy Mail, bow, planner, another bow. You got this girl and day off. That's done in the silver foil. Then I ordered adorable date dots. These are in the light pink. She has 35 different colored foils. Again, this one is done in the light pink. This one is done in the orange because I'm trying to get ready for fall and Halloween. So I wanted to get these. I love those. Perfect size too. And then I ordered the bow clocks, and this is the open-faced ones. This is the ones that you can put the time in yourself, and they have a cute little bow at the bottom of them, and there is 2 different sizes that come in these. I got the silver and I got the gold, and I believe this is the light gold. Okay, so there are those. Then I ordered the footballs with the bows, and I got those in silver. And then I also got those in gold. And then I got the meal planning minis. She has 2 different sizes of these. I got the minis, and it has menu plan, order groceries, pick up groceries, and meal prep. So these are perfect. I love these. And I got 2 orders of those in the silver. One has the clear background, and the other one, or the white background, excuse me, and the other one has marble background. So I'm going to put those side by side so you can kind of see them. Love them. And then I ordered the box extenders for the vertical, and it has 4 of them. Let me pull it apart just a little bit so you can see it. There you go. So I cannot wait to use those in a plan with me. And then I'll let me show you this one first. This is Rain Blooms in the Hobo Kit. It is done in light gold, and it has your days of the week on this side, and then your scallop bow checklist, and it's all in one strip. I adore that. Adore that. It has scripts that say next week, this week, payday, family time, and day off. And then it also has laundry, a car, a dog print, grocery cart, heart, cleaning, laundry, money sign, phone, clock, house, trash, gift, and then 3 bows right here. And then it has what would be your quarter boxes here, or your half boxes, and then your washi strips, and then your post-it notes. So you get a lot in a kit. Isn't that cute? Love it. I cannot wait to use this. Definitely cannot wait to use this. All right, and then now I'm excited about these. These are new to the shop. These are the Printpression Weeks kits. They are absolutely gorgeous. This one right here is called Burgundy Dreams, and I got it in the burgundy foil. Now look, I'm gonna kind of put it up really, really close because I really want you to see the beautiful foil work that she does. Her foiling is spot on, guys. Look at that. So the days of the week, there's washi strips, cleaning dinners next week, this week, habit trackers, quarter boxes, round quarter boxes, the sidebar, Monday through Sunday, your full boxes, which all have foiling of some sort in them, your 3 bow scallop, check, your family time, coffee, happy mail, me time, and then your washi strips. And look at these washi strips. I mean, so beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is done in the burgundy foil. This next one that I got is called Farmhouse, and it is absolutely beautiful. This is the light, or no, excuse me. This is done in the matte gold. Look at that. Is that not, I mean, seriously, guys. So beautiful. Your full boxes, your sidebar, or in your with Monday through Sunday, your scallop bows, family time, me time, coffee, and happy mail, and another beautiful full boxes, your washi strips, your day covers. Look at that. Cleaning dinners next week, this week, habit trackers, again, your quarter boxes and round quarter boxes, and then washi strips. And I love that these are leaves down here. That is so pretty. The next one is Ponderosa, and this is done in the rose gold. And again, beautiful day covers, beautiful washi strips, your habit trackers, quarter boxes, full boxes, washi down at the bottom. I mean, they're so beautiful. So beautiful. The next one is called Rain Blooms, and this one I got done in the copper. I am so excited about this. Look at this copper, guys. So beautiful. And I know I keep repeating myself, but the day covers, look, in the bottom washi, or the washi strips. Look at that. And then last, but certainly not least, is the polka dot boo. And I got it done in the hot pink. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at those days of the week. So beautiful. And that bottom washi. So gorgeous. So y'all go check her out. Make sure that you friend her on Facebook and on Instagram. Make sure that you are part of my Planner Nina _Cricket on Facebook and on Instagram, so you know when her sales go up, whenever new releases are happening. And don't forget that you can use Cricket 20 for 20% off unless stated otherwise. And mention my name in Notes to Sellers so that you get your foiled freebie as well. I hope that you love this video as much as I love showing you all her beautiful stuff. And again, you will not be disappointed when you order from her. She is fast, she is spot on with her foiling, and everything is just absolutely gorgeous. I hope that you will please go check her out. She will be in some sales coming up soon, so stay tuned for that, and I will give you all the information on that. She will have some sneak peeks on Fridays and some foiled Friday specials as well. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and hit that bell, and I hope to see you back here real soon. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.